Hi again. If you just spent a fortune training people on AI tools, I've got some bad news for you. In 6 months, most of that knowledge will be useless. The pace of AI is simply too fast for our traditional training models. But what if there's a way to build a learning system that actually gets smarter and more effective over time, powered by the creativity of your own people? That's the promise of the AI Learning Flywheel. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 4 simple steps to produce one in your organization. The biggest challenge that leaders face is what I call the 6-month expiration date on training. AI training, especially on tools, isn't like learning a new piece of accounting software. It's an act of creativity, and every person uses it differently. The use cases are endless. A static curriculum, depending on the topic, is doomed from the start. More static topics, like governance, can last longer, and how to use tools and use cases are changing by the minute, which means we need a new model. And this is the AI Learning Flywheel. It's a self-sustaining system designed to create, capture, and distribute AI knowledge continuously. Unlike a linear top-down training push, the flywheel creates a circular, self-reinforcing loop of learning and application. And instead of knowledge that fades, we create a system that spreads it. And it all starts with a simple spark. To spark AI enthusiasm, you begin with a real business problem. Take a team, find a process that's bogged down in friction, and put them in a hands-on workshop. Help them apply AI to fix this workflow. This first win creates incredible energy. The second step is to spread the learning. Sparks will reveal your natural enthusiasts, and they aren't always the ones you'd expect. They're typically passionate evangelists and natural connectors. Think of what Moderna did. They found their top 100 power users and turned them into a powerful cohort of internal champions. Your job is to find these people and give them a playbook to teach others. The third step is to scale this activity. As your network of champions grows, you need to support them. You build what I call an AI activation hub. This is the axle of the flywheel. It's a small central team that provides your leads with resources, it coaches them, it captures all the amazing best practices, and most importantly, measures. It manages your AI knowledge engine, turning individual discoveries into organizational assets. And finally, step 4 is to sustain this activity. And this is often the most overlooked step. A flywheel doesn't spin forever on its own. It needs energy. Sustainability is by design, not by accident. You have to formally resource this system and recognize that the AI lead roles, you have to fund the activation hub. Otherwise, the flywheel sputters and dies because no one is tasked with keeping it in motion. But once funded, you get a continuous flow of knowledge throughout this network. So where do you begin? It's simple. You want to start with the spark. Don't try and boil the ocean. Find that one team, that one process, that one frustrating bottleneck. Prove the value on a small scale and let the flywheel start to turn. Building this flywheel is the core of rewiring your company to become a hyper-adaptive organization. If you're ready to stop the cycle of expensive, expiring training and build a learning engine that lasts, the first step is understanding where you are today. To start sparking AI curiosity in your teams, check out our Applied AI workshop at hyperadaptive.solutions/labs.